Hi guys, myself Payal Modve and today we are going to make a hibiscus face mask. Before starting with the procedure, we will see the benefits of that hibiscus face mask. In hibiscus face mask, we use hibiscus which shows many medicinal uses. It shows antioxidant properties. It has vitamin C which helps in improving the skin health issues. While anti-inflammatory property of the hibiscus reduces the inflammation and redness of the skin. For this face mask, we also use milk, yogurt and rice flour which can be easily available in the kitchen. Now we will start with the procedure which will be explained by Utkarsha.
Myself, Utkarsha Mauji. Now we will see how to make hibiscus face mask. For this we require some ingredients. So let's take a look at it. Hibiscus flower, milk, yogurt, rice powder. Take 4 hibiscus flowers and separate its petals. We only use petals because it contains high mucilage and it is impressive for moisturizing the skin. We have to make the paste of petals, so add 2 tablespoons of the milk and grind it into fine paste. Paste is ready. Now add 1 tablespoon of milk again. For making it paste-like appearance, now add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt is a rich source of vitamin B which is hydrate and heal our skin. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice powder and mix it well. Rice powder plays an important role in absorb the excess of oil and also repair the skin. Here our hibiscus face mask is ready. How we can use this hibiscus face mask? We can apply it on clean skin and wait for 20 minutes and then wash with water. For a better result, we can apply it twice a week. Thank you for watching the video.